it's lovely to see you. We're really missing Peebles players. So Helen and I and Claire and Jenny and Jean and lots of other people are all getting together to try and remind you of some of the things that we do when we all get together in the Eastgate for Peebles players on a Monday. So first of all, we thought we'd look at some of the things that you might have in your home which you could make sounds with. Claire and everybody will be making good sounds with piano and singing, but Helen and I are going to make some sounds with some of the things that you can find in your home. So what have you got, Helen?
Okay, so when you listen to Claire and Jenny singing and playing the coconut song, you might like to find 2 metal cups and join in with beating the rhythm when Jenny claps. That works well, doesn't it?
Yeah. And I thought I'd got some empty cardboard boxes. And I thought, well, I wonder if one box makes a different sound to another box. With the big box, you can go coconut. But the little box makes a different sound, and you still can go coconut. It does. And what else have you got, Helen?
A whisk with a ball inside. It's another kind of shaker. Works well, doesn't it? If I put something hard inside, like these 2 conkers, it makes a very different sound. And you might need something a little bit bigger than my conkers, but remember, something hard.
And something else that's very often in your house are spoons. Can make a big sound. Now Helen and I have got 2 very different size spoons, but the big spoons we can make sounds just together like that, and the little spoons make different sounds. But you can use a spoon for something else as well. You can make a sound on a saucepan. Loud sound with a saucepan.
And a little one with a little saucepan.
And what else, Helen?
Scrapers. A bottle with some grooves on it, a squash bottle or an oil bottle, and rub a stick along it.
That's really good.
We can also make scrapey sounds using a sieve, and there may be a little plastic fork or a metal fork, whatever you choose.
Well, the other sound that I wondered about which would make scrapey sounds was with a hairbrush. So back to my boxes, I could make different sounds with a hairbrush. You can make different sounds. Different box, different sounds. So, different sorts of hairbrushes, different sorts of sounds.
A rainmaker. So just a long cardboard tube with a circle of cloth or paper over the end, secured with elastic bands and some rice or something like that inside, and you just whoosh it. Get a rainmaker sound.
And the other thing that you probably have in your kitchen or somewhere is some wooden spoons or sticks, and you can make just simple sounds with 2 sticks together. just like that. Or 2 flat pieces of wood. Good sound. 2 flat pieces of wood together. Different sound again.
What about our drum
Oh,
idea? Shall we?
the bucket.
We got the bucket?
Oh, it's over there.
I'll just go and get it.
So we can make a good, just with a bucket.
And I bet
a
it
good,
sounds different if we beat it on the side.
and probably it does.
A little bit different. Going to get down in a minute. Another kind of shaker, a yogurt pot, fill it with some buttons or some beads. Got the maracas.
Now, what else have I got? I've got some jars. Now, if they're empty, then you can make one sort of sound with them. Ooh, maybe the little spoon is better. A little spoon with a gentle tap. Right, that was the sound without water. But you can add water
To different levels.
to different. I put some green colouring in so that you could see where the water goes. And add the water. You can add a lot of water if you want to. Let's see what sounds those make now.
Good. Yeah, it changes the sounds, doesn't it?
It does.
What else have we
What
got?
about your,
on my little guitar?
Yeah.
Just 3 different thicknesses of rubber bands around a plastic box or a cardboard box.
I think I've done all mine.
I think we have done. We haven't done
Oh, we've
these.
got the wooden blocks.
Wooden blocks are always good for beating a rhythm.
So, when you get ready to listen to some of the songs that Claire is making for us, you could get some of your instruments ready as well. And anything makes a good sound, so you just need to experiment and try different things. And I hope you enjoy it. And that way we can all be playing music together still. Thank
It'd be
you.
lovely, wouldn't it?